Hello friends and students, how are you? कैसे आप सब? I hope all are doing very good and your studies are also going very good. Today a very big announcement has been made by CS and CMA Institute regarding the postponement of the examinations. आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि what are the revised dates which they have come up with, and second part of the video will be how to टेक दिस अनाउंसमेंट. इस अनाउंसमेंट के बाद आपको किस तरीके से प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए, हाउ यू शुड मॉडिफाई योर प्लान स्ट्रेटेजी, एवरीथिंग आई विल बी स्पीकिंग टू यू अबाउट इट. I request you to kindly see this video throughout because my intention is just not to make you aware about the announcement which is made by the CS and CMA Institute, but also to suggest you the way forward कि आज के बाद आपको किस तरीके से अपनी strategy decide करनी चाहिए with respect to the examinations for June 2020. नाउ सीए स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो ऑलरेडी जून में पोस्टपोन हो गया था, एज वी ऑल नो दैट 2-3 वीक्स पहले ही अनाउंसमेंट आ गया था. टुडे एज यू कैन सी आपके सामने अनाउंसमेंट है. सीएस एग्जामिनेशंस नाउ विल कमेंस फ्रॉम 6th of July 2020, ऑल्दो वी डू नॉट नो हाउ विल बी दी पेपर्स बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, कि कौन सा एग्जाम किस डे होगा, and how will foundation inter final throughout all three levels this term has been postponed to 6th of July 2020. Although institute has very clearly said that the revised schedule will be announced later. Also very soon and also CMA students के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा news है. CMA examinations across foundation, intermediate and final all three levels for June 2020 students, that has also been postponed and will commence from 20th July. CS will start from 6th of July, but CMA will start from 20th July. We don't know the exact dates of the examinations of different subjects, but yes, this dates will be starting date. Now we need to check, we need to wait for the further announcement as in from when the papers will begin, and we need to wait for the further guidelines from the institute. As and when the institute gives its further guidelines, we will be here to tell you about the detailed guidelines. So you don't worry, just subscribe to our channel if you want to be updated with CA, CS and CMA courses, its study pattern, its study techniques, everything. We update our just subscribe to our channel, and also do not forget to press the bell icon, because if you do not press the bell icon, you will not be getting the update. So that if you receive information delay, so you might face some issues. Now my second part of today's video will be how to react after this particular announcement and what you should do before examinations. So guys, very clearly I will be telling you how to proceed before the examinations. आपको examinations के पहले how to plan your strategy. Okay, now it is very important that you should plan your strategy, and now many students today would be asking me, sir, ki now we were planning given the fact that the examination will be in June, but now since the examination has been postponed in July, what should we do, how should we react, should we celebrate or should we just keep it constant, हमको क्या करना चाहिए. So guys, a piece of advice for me, मैंने क्या किया इस वीडियो में, I have made a small PowerPoint presentation for you all where I'll be discussing everything in very small points, very summarized and concise way में, that what are the key strategies you all should follow and आपको अनाउंसमेंट से क्या लेकर जाना है. सो ये सब चीज मैं आपको बताऊंगा. यू जस्ट हैव टू बी पेशेंट एंड सी द वीडियो टिल द एंड. सो हियर इज माय सम पॉइंट्स व्हिच आई वांट यू टू consider it very very carefully and listen to me very very carefully. Okay, there might be this is the standard format, this is a standard tips which I give it in before the examination, particularly this time because of COVID-19 I am modified a bit. So number one thing, the first point will be, you should not make changes in your study plan. What my request is, now you consider, since your examination has been postponed to July, you would have targeted your study based till now as per June term. Okay, so June के हिसाब से you would have been thinking that June में आपका exam है, but now because in July many students क्या करेंगे, they will be relaxed, they will start taking relax, they will waste their time, they will not study sincerely the way they were studying pehle. So please do not make this mistake. I would suggest you, this is not a jolly time which you are getting, this is a blessing in disguise which people have got, so you should utilize it very wisely, and for that you should have a concrete study plan. that as in how you have to study, which are your weaker areas, which are your strengthen areas, which are the areas which you need to work upon. So overall चीज impact करता है अपने results में. As you all must be knowing that passing in all the subjects, average 50% scoring, and is must for you. If you score exemption in 5-6 papers, but if you land up scoring below 40 in any one of the papers, god forbid, you will definitely not be clearing your examinations. So you have to target the overall picture. Okay, so first thing, you do not make any changes in your study plan. If your study plan was like till uh, till May mid, your first revision is completed, you complete your revision till May mid only. Do not make any changes in study plan. Okay, and do not waste your time. Instead, you should get charged up. So suggestion number one, do not make changes in your study plan and waste time. Suggestion number two is increase the number of times of revision in every subject or complete the important ones. इसका मतलब ये है कि normally a student has a very big issue that he does not get time to revise, but now this complaint will not be there because he has his exam got extended, period got extended, due date got extended. So definitely, if he were able to revise once or twice, now he can revise at least 1 or 2 times more. So number of revision से increase के कारण the retention power will definitely increase, the confidence will build up, and definitely this impact will be there in the overall results. So you have to kahin na kahin understand that you have to revise it properly. Now it's more over, you have studied a lot, you have to revise it properly. So if you have revised one or twice, 2 times, increase it to 3 or 4 times. If you have not revised, increase it to 1 or 2 times. So depending on your strategy, you should increase the number of times of revision of every subject. I repeat, every subject. ऐसा नहीं हो कि 1-2 सब्जेक्ट आप ज्यादा रिवाइज कर लिए बट बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स आप रिवाइज नहीं कर पाए. You have to consistently keep taking care of all the subjects which you are studying. Okay, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि कोई एक study you have left over it, or you have ignored a particular subject and you have over stressed on a particular subject. So please avoid doing all these things. Number 3, this is my personal opinion. You should not go in completing 100% syllabus of every subject if not completed. Many students would have been facing this issue. Like many students like would have, say for example, audit, they have just started. So this is not the correct time, or this you have to evaluate yourself, that you should not go in 100% completion, because at the end of the day, you have to do a little smart study. You have to score 50% in every subject. So I would not say complete 100% of every subject, because if you go over stressing on each and every subject, then other subjects get definitely be other subjects suffers a lot. So in that case, what I suggest to you all, that you should not target in completing the 100%. Rather, you should focus at least studying the 80% best in all the subjects. Like सारा सब्जेक्ट्स आपको कवर करना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि वन सब्जेक्ट का 100% कर लिए और 5 सब्जेक्ट्स का 100% कर लिए, बाद बाकी एवरीथिंग. लाइक देयर शुड बी अ balanced approach across all the subjects. So focus on studying the best 80 part in all the subjects. Remember, you will pass only if you score consistently in all, instead of scoring exemption in few and failing any one or more, which I god forbid you should not do. So you have to keep in mind that consistently good marks lana in all the subjects, rather than scoring very good in few but scoring very less in few or more subjects. So this is a smart approach which you should follow. Then you should focus on your weak areas and convert that into your strength. Say for example, you are very poor in tax, or you are very poor in understanding the provisions of tax or accounts, aapko samajh mein nahi aata, or law or audit, or any subject you are not very good at, which you think. So this is the correct time which you can improvise the subject, and you can give some extra time in those subjects which are your weaker areas, or might be some of the chapters in subjects you are very weak at. So identify those points and give that time, and invest that time in those chapters, and convert that into your strengths. I would also suggest you should practice more and more test papers, like mock test papers, revision test papers, and all those past term papers which are already there in your website, in the income, in the institute's website. This will definitely help you in gaining confidence. Generally, students have a habit to just see the papers and solve the sums in their mind or in rough. But I would rather say utilize this time very wisely. Give as many papers as possible in the given 3 hours time, so that you have a habit to give examinations before giving the final examinations. Students generally do not have a habit to give that proper 3 hour mock exam in their place. So they should definitely give as many papers as possible, and they should compare with the suggested answer. ICMI, CA, and CS all have issued their mock test papers. You should definitely go through it, and you should give that proper 3 hours baitke and can compare it with the suggested solutions. Do past term papers as many as possible. Do past term mock test papers as many as possible. Do revision test papers as many as possible. Complete each and every answers of your study mat. Study mat seeing is very, very important. I would rather say you should utilize your time, this extra time you have got, in seeing the study mat of each and every subject. I'm not saying to see each and every pages, but definitely you should flip over the important chapters once, so that your full view has been taken. Yours, if you have taken that subject ka tuition, then it is fine. But then also I would recommend you should see the institute study mat, because that's the mother of everything. So you should definitely see that study mat. Generally, because of COVID, even me, Satish sir, Samiksha ma'am, and many other teachers I've been seeing that they have started giving online webinars, and they have conducted online meetings using various platforms like Zoom or Impartus or various other platforms. So for taking some test or giving some revision lectures. So I would rather uh, strongly recommend each one of you that you should please not waste your time, and you should attend these webinars. If you do not have adequate internet packs, please recharge it. Jio ka zamana aa gaya hai. Reliance is there, so many network connections, and they are giving you a very cheaper prices in that. So you please, let's not thoda bahut samajhna chahiye. Let's not think on that. You should definitely invest your money in these kind of things, because these sessions definitely will give you definitely a good amount of confidence, and live interaction with teachers are definitely very important. I regularly give for tax, cost FM, Satish sir, Samiksha ma'am gives for audit. You should definitely do it for all these subjects at least, and attend the webinars at most as possible. Drink more water, eat healthy food, and you should have adequate sleep. Should not compromise with your health areas, because agar health hi nahi rahega, the entire world is facing issues because of this health, COVID-19. So I just request you, please drink water as much as possible, wash your hands, eat healthy food, and have adequate sleep. Many students have a habit to sleep for 2-3 hours, and they end up having severe headache, cold, cough, or vomiting. Please avoid doing all these things, else you will waste a lot of time in recovering from that position. Stay at home and stay safe. So guys, ये सब कुछ points थे जो मुझे पता, जो which I wanted you all to share with. And that's it from my side. I wish you all the best for your examinations, and just stay focused, stay tuned, and stay safe. Just don't be tensed. And now तो अब तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम मिल गया है. Utilize it. Don't waste. Definitely, if you waste the time, definitely this time will never come back. That you can be rest assured. You have been very lucky enough that you have got this time. So just utilize this time and just take out the maximum from it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, just share it with your friends so that they can also get the maximum benefit. Thank you so much.